Let's fix camera showing only black screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. First of all, click on the search bar and search for settings. Once you have opened the settings, from the left side of your screen, go for apps. Inside apps, you will see all the installed apps. Click on the first option and then search for camera. Click on the three dots right beside camera and go to its advanced option. Hereby, make sure that the access is given to the camera. You can also change the background app permission from never to always or power optimized. Scroll down a bit and you will see the option of repair and reset. Tap on the repair button and then you can restart the camera again. If it is still creating an issue, you can even click on reset. Once that is done, you can restart your device and then open the camera again. This should probably fix the problem. However, if it is still creating an issue, you can even try to update the drivers. So for that, click on the search bar again and open Device Manager. Once you have opened the Device Manager, search for the cameras. Click on the drop-down menu, right-click on the driver and click on Update Driver. You can either search automatically for the best driver or you can search for the Windows update as well. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.